but it's gonna be easy. So when you break it by 12 months, all right, now let's say, because I don't have the actual figure, if you do have it, please type it there. This is going like almost 1 hour. I don't want that to go too long. um I might not finish it today because I want this to end 1 hour. Okay. So if you divide the 100K by 12 months, now you're gonna fill in, on this page 3, you're gonna fill in everything by the month, right? Meanwhile, on your page 1, that's where you actually write it down. Actually, you don't even need this. Sorry, you don't need the page 3 right now. You just need page 1. When you figure out how much your um revenue goal for the year is, you write it down, divide by 12. You write it on your monthly goals, right? So each month, how much do you want to make? You write it down, because right now you already divided by 12. So that means you're getting the amount of 1 month, right? You put it on the monthly revenue goal. Now you divide the monthly revenue goal by weeks. All right, in this part, you don't divide the 1 week by 4 weeks. I always go like a little past 4 weeks, just to accommodate uh, the weeks that have 5 weeks in the month, right? So you divide the your monthly revenue goal by 4 weeks in a month, right? You divide that. When you divide that, you have a figure. Sorry guys, do the math. Right, you have a figure. Now that figure is how much you need to make per week, right? You have to divide all the figure for your week by 7 days, right? Because the figure you have for your 7 weeks, the figure you have for your 1 week, right, is your revenue goal for the week. You need to know that. Now you divide your revenue goal by 7 days. So if your revenue goal for the week, right, is $1,000, right? And now you divide $1,000 by 7 days. Okay, so that means you need about 1,000 something. Sorry, 100 and something, right? I'm just making, more like roughly 200, okay, or 150. I'm not sure. I can do math. I cannot even stress my brain right now. You can do the math yourself. All right. So figure it out. So if you every day you need to make $200 sales, then you gotta know that, okay, per day I need to make $200 in sales. So when you break it down like that, it's easier for you to chase. It's easier for you to put in the work to get that goal done and crush it. So if you're supposed to sell $200 worth of goods or products, right? When you post, you have to post based on that product. So that's why I broke it down, so it's easier. All right. So the what I have here says, after breaking it down by the month, the weeks, and the days, it's time to figure out how many products and services you need to sell in order to meet your revenue goal for the year, the month, the week, and the day. All right. So now you have how much it is. Remember, yesterday homework that I gave you was to go get 3 products that you're gonna sell, right? I need this to be more of a conversational. If you can, please type something. I gave you